Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to answer questions using line plots. So I made a line plot for the question, how many times a week do you eat dessert? And so for this assignment, you guys are going to need to go back and look at that question and see your classmates' answers. For now, I just made my own answers. So the first question is, how many people eat dessert twice? Okay, twice means 2 times. So I'm going to look at my 2, I'm going to count my x's. 1, 2, 3. So 3 people eat dessert twice a week. My next question says, how many more people eat dessert 5 times than 8 times a week? So I need to look at my 5 and I need to look at my 8. And then I need to figure out how many more x's are on the 5. So my 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to write that down. My 8 has 1, 2, 3, 4. So to figure out how much more that is, I need to subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So 2 more people eat dessert 5 times a week than 8 times a week. And my last question says, how many people were surveyed in all? So survey means how many people were asked the question. So to figure that out, all I need to do is count the x's on my line plot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 people were surveyed in all.